Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gadget Flow channel. After the immense success of the S10 Pro, which flew off the shelves in just 2 months, Narwal has returned with the S20 Pro, a vacuum mop designed to redefine efficient home cleaning. But what elevates the S20 Pro above its competition? Let's explore its standout features in this review. The S20 Pro offers dual functionality, capable of tackling both dry debris and wet messes with ease. Engineered for both minor spills and stubborn grime, the S20 Pro bridges the gap between quick cleanup tools and deep cleaning machines, offering performance that traditional vacuum mop robots often fail to deliver. One of the most impressive upgrades is the S20 Pro's ability to handle sticky, embedded messes without requiring repeated passes. This is made possible by its robust 20,000 pascal suction power, paired with 20 newtons of downward pressure. Together, these features enable the device to achieve a thorough and effective clean in a single motion, even on challenging surfaces. Customizability is another strong suit of the S20 Pro. With 5 distinct cleaning modes, ranging from a whisper-quiet setting to a powerful max mode, it adapts seamlessly to your cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with fine dust or ground in dirt, the S20 Pro provides efficient performance tailored to the task at hand. Vacuum mop maintenance is often a source of frustration for users, requiring disassembly, manual brush cleaning, and odor control. The S20 Pro revolutionizes this process with its innovative Dirt Sense technology and iron drying system, set at 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Dirt Sense uses intelligent detection to monitor the brush's condition, automatically initiating and adjusting the self-cleaning process to maintain optimal cleanliness. Afterward, the iron drying system thoroughly dries the brush, preventing bacterial growth and unpleasant odors. Cleaning edges and corners is often a challenge for vacuum mops, with many models leaving these areas untouched. The S20 Pro excels here thanks to its advanced dual-edge cleaning technology, capable of cleaning within 0.04 inches of walls and furniture. Its 180-degree flat fold design further enhances reach, allowing it to access tight spaces and awkward angles effortlessly, ensuring no spot is left uncleaned. Another common pain point for users is dealing with tangled hair in the brush. The S20 Pro addresses this with a dual-layer anti-tangle brush, certified by SGS for its effectiveness. This innovative design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, ensuring consistent performance without time-consuming detangling. Offering up to 60 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, the robot covers an impressive 4,300 square feet on a single charge. This extended battery capacity eliminates interruptions during cleaning sessions, making it a dependable choice for homes of all sizes. In terms of usability, the S20 Pro prioritizes comfort and convenience. Its self-propelling design reduces the effort required to maneuver the device, while its low center of gravity ensures smooth, lightweight handling. In conclusion, S20 Pro isn't just an improved version of its predecessor, it's a purpose-built solution that addresses the most common frustrations with vacuum mops. With powerful suction, advanced pressure, self-cleaning technology, and user-friendly features, it's designed to make cleaning simpler and more efficient. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.